The CSGO market is in a bit of a free fall right now. It's been nothing but bad news in the past couple of days. There's been $7 million worth of liquid items banned because of a huge gambling site issue that's going on that got a bunch of traders that supplied them skins banned, and it's once again like $7 million worth of stuff. So the liquid market is kind of going downhill quick with a bunch of people selling off this news, and tie that in with the Steam summer sale that just started as well, which is going to cause people to sell liquid cheaper items like cases, as that always happens during sales, and it's no big surprise that this is pushing the market down. Now, if you think the world is ending because of this, it isn't. Gambling sites are always going to find a way to run, whether you like them or not. They aren't disappearing. Skins aren't going to become worthless, but based off the huge CS2 hype we saw right off the rip, it's definitely starting to die down for the time being. We are definitely going back to normal prices, or more normal prices, and in my opinion, I think things might go down a bit further, and then we're probably going to see things go sideways for a while, so I wouldn't rush into anything yet. But long term is still my game, so I'm not really worried. This video is sponsored by Free Cash, a website that even a couple of my friends have used in the past, where you can of course easily earn cash. Yesterday, the average earnings were over $10, and it only took around 17 minutes to cash out for the first time. Free Cash is a site where you can easily earn money by just completing simple tasks, and some of my favorite and usually the best paying offers have to deal with apps. For example, if you install Kraken, which is a crypto exchange platform, and deposit at least $10, you can get 30,000 points on Free Cash, which is $30, and you'll have a platform to keep crypto on if you want to sell your CSGO investments for Bitcoin. It's incredibly easy to withdraw as well. If I want to cash out, I just go to withdraw with PayPal, enter all my information, and literally by the time I've opened PayPal, I've received my money. And finally, they've got a free sign up bonus as well, where you can win up to $250. So be sure to check them out with that link at the top of the description. But okay, how can you take advantage of this situation? Well, first off, just realize a bunch of people are selling right now for pretty cheap rates. So if you're looking to buy for cheaper, now might be the right time for you, but I would be really cautious. A lot of times CSGO items have big spike ups in price, and they come back down to the very level they were at before the hype started. And if we say the hype started when CS2 first got announced, we've still got quite a lot of ways to go back down. So I wouldn't be too eager to just hop in at this very moment. The player count has been slightly decreasing as well in the past month or so, so I mean, there isn't really a reason to even play CSGO at this point, but once we get to CS2's release, hopefully fairly soon, I definitely expect things to start picking back up, especially since it was mentioned that there should be no more reason to use third-party services compared to normal matchmaking. Whether that means constant sort of operations may be cycled in and out so people actually have a reason to grind, or just that they added 128 tick, who knows, but it should bring more players either way. But regarding cases and cheaper bulk investments, as you can see by this chart, there's been way more sell orders on Steam recently according to CSGO Stonks, which I'll link in the description. People want to sell their investments or just leftover cases in their inventory to buy games, but the number of cases unboxed is so exceptionally higher than it was a year ago. So I think there's good fundamentals, and long term, as always, I'm not worried. The market should be still going up, but for now, don't be afraid to sit in the sidelines.